Once, in a busy town near a desert road, there lived a respected merchant. He was known for his sharp mind and honest dealings. Whenever there was a dispute in the market, people came to him. Whenever a deal seemed impossible, he found a way through. But there was one thing people whispered about. His apprentice, they said, is slow, quiet, not very clever. Every morning, the merchant opened his shop, and every morning, the apprentice stood outside, sweeping the floor calmly while others rushed past, boasting about their profits. One day, a wealthy trader stopped by. He watched the apprentice for a moment, then laughed. "You are lucky," the trader said to the merchant, "that your business runs well, because your apprentice doesn't seem to know much. Every day, customers offer him choices, and every day he chooses the smaller one." The people nearby laughed. The merchant said nothing. That evening, after the shop closed and the street grew quiet, the merchant called the apprentice inside. "Tell me," he said gently, "why do you always choose the smaller gain when given a choice?" The apprentice looked up, calm and steady. "Which is better?" he asked. "A loud reward or a lusty one?" The merchant frowned. The apprentice then opened a wooden chest under his bed. Inside were coins, not gold, not jewels, but hundreds of small, simple payments. The merchant's eyes widened. "This," the apprentice said, "are from people who think I'm foolish. They enjoy feeling smarter than me. They return again and again, offering small rewards, believing they are winning." He paused. "The day I show them I am clever, they will stop coming." Silence filled the room. The merchant finally understood. Wisdom doesn't always rush for the biggest prize. Sometimes it chooses consistency over applause, patience over pride, quiet growth over sudden glory. From that day on, when people mocked the apprentice, the merchant only smiled, because he knew something they didn't. Some people chase attention, others build foundations. Some shout their success, others let time reveal it. And in the end, it is not the loudest voice that lasts, but the one that never needed to speak. If you know your path is right, let people misunderstand you. Noise fades, results remain. True success doesn't announce itself. It arrives quietly and stays forever.